Today, we're going through how to use Hooked AI to create videos from scratch. Let's start with Hook Studio. Hit the Create Hooked button to begin creating a new video project. Enter your project name in the project name field. You can use any descriptive name you'd like. Click the aspect ratio drop-down to see the available format options for your video. Here you have multiple AI-generated and realistic hooks options to choose from. Here we'll select the woman in a hard hat at a construction site. The editor loads with your selected template on the left and an upload area for custom video on the right. Click the Upload Video button to add your own content. The Video Library modal opens displaying your previously generated videos. You can also generate a video to generate video. Switch to the Video Generator tab to create new content with AI. Click the Aspect Ratio dropdown to set your video dimensions. Type your video concept into the video description text box to guide the AI generation. Click the Script Generator button to let AI create a script from your description. The AI Script Generator modal appears and automatically creates a script based on your video idea. Click the Use This Script button to apply it to your video project. Now click Generate Video to create your custom content. The system begins generating your video and automatically switches to the Generated Videos tab. Once your newly generated video appears, click on it to select it for your project. Hit play to preview how it looks before combining it with other elements. To combine and render the final video, click the Generate button. The platform will now process your video clips and combine them together. Your final combined video will appear and play automatically so you can preview the result. If you want to make changes and regenerate the video, simply click the Re-render button. When you're satisfied with your video, click the Back button to return to your project overview. To select a hook template, click on Hook Generator in the left navigation menu. Browse through the available hook styles to find the one that fits your video's purpose. Scroll through the template options to explore the different visual effects available for this hook style. The customization options will now load, allowing you to personalize your hook video with your own content. Scroll down to find additional options and click the Generate Audio checkbox if you want the system to create audio for your hook. Click the Generate Hook button to start the creation process. The system will now process your request. Your generated hook video will appear in the preview area and play automatically. Click the Back to Campaigns button to return to your project overview. Let's go to Next, which is to create and generate a persona in the Imagine Studio. Click the Persona Style button to customize your character. Click the Gender dropdown and select Male to set the character's gender. Return to the Local Business tab and select Restaurant Chef as your persona style. Next, click the Region drop-down and choose East Asian to define your character's ethnicity. To add a reference image, click the Image Upload icon next to the prompt field. In the Upload modal, click Choose Image and select the file you want to use as a reference for your persona. Once your image is uploaded and selected, close the modal to return to the main interface. Click the Generate Persona Image button to create your AI character. The AI will process your settings and generate a new chef character image in the preview pane. Create multi-character and product scenes. When the Pose Options modal appears, select Discussing to set how the characters will interact. Click the Image Upload icon to add a second person's image, then select the uploaded image. Hit the Generate Persona Image button to create your multi-character scene. The AI will generate a new image showing two chefs discussing a dish together. Click the Download icon to save this multi-character image. Click on it and select the Close-Up Hold Pose from the modal. Clear any previously selected images, then choose one image of a person and one image of a product. Click the Generate Persona Image button to create the product scene. The AI generates a new image showing the chef holding the product naturally. Let's move to the Commercial Studio. The Commercial Studio page will load, showing you the main workspace for creating AI-powered advertisements. Hit the Create First Project button to begin your commercial creation. The project editor opens up, ready for you to configure your commercial settings. In the Idea or Description field, type your commercial concept. Click Select Niche and choose the industry category that best matches your commercial from the drop-down options. Next, select your visual style by clicking the drop-down. Choose your video type from the available options to define the overall format and structure of your ad. Select your text style to determine how any text overlays or titles will appear in your commercial. Click the Generate Script button. The AI will now work on creating multiple script variations for your commercial. Just wait for the progress bar to complete. Once ready, you'll see the generated scripts appear in the production board below. And click, let the AI build a video for you. Once generation is complete, the video player will appear automatically, and you'll receive a confirmation notification that your video is ready. The generated video will start playing immediately, allowing you to preview the complete AI-created content and assess the quality of the output. To connect social media accounts, click on Social Manager in the left navigation menu. You'll see the Go Social page, where you can connect your accounts. Hit the Connect Meta Account button to link your Facebook and Instagram profiles. The platform will automatically connect both your Instagram and Facebook page accounts, and they'll appear in your Connected Accounts section. Your social media accounts are now connected. Let's go to the next step, which is to schedule a social media post. In the Post to Instagram and Facebook pop-up, you'll see an AI-generated caption. Click Schedule for later and set your preferred date and time. Hit the Schedule Post button to confirm your scheduled posting. Click the Scheduled tab to view all your upcoming posts. Click the Post Now button for your selected video. Hit Regenerate Caption to create a new one. Once you're satisfied with the caption, click Post Now to publish your video immediately to your connected social media accounts. Navigate to the Video Editor section from the left side menu. Click the Create Project button to start building your video. Give your project a meaningful name by renaming it from the default untitled project. Change the aspect ratio to 9:16 to optimize your video for mobile and social media platforms. Your new project is now set up and ready to go. Let's go to the next step, which is to assemble your video clips. To assemble video clips, explore the different media sections available by expanding and collapsing the video. Click on the newly added clip in the timeline, then hit Browse, Upload in the Video section to access more video options. In the Video Library pop-up that appears, browse through your generated assets in My Uploads folders and select 3 additional clips to add them to your timeline sequence. Fine-tune your video by adjusting the duration of each clip. Simply drag the edges of the clips in the timeline to make them shorter or longer as needed. Your video clips are now assembled on the timeline. Let's go to the next step, which is to add background music to enhance your video. And select the Storm at the Gates music track to add it to your timeline. Adjust the music track's length by dragging it in the timeline, then fine-tune the exact duration using the Settings panel to match your video. Your background music is now added to the timeline. Let's go to the next step, which is to apply an image overlay to your video. In this case, we're adding an exclusive bonus graphic. Once uploaded, add the image as an overlay to your video. You can customize the overlay by resizing and repositioning it within the Video Preview window, or use the adjustment sliders for precise control. Your image overlay is now in place and visible on the timeline. Let's go to the next step, which is to generate a voiceover with text-to-speech. And type your desired script in the text field. Browse through the available voice artists and accents to find the voice for your video. This is what will be converted to speech. The system will process your request. You'll see a generating notification while it creates the audio. Once generated, you'll get a confirmation that the voice was added and a new voice track appears in your timeline. You should now see the voiceover applied to your timeline. Let's go to the next step, which is to add and customize a text overlay. Click in the text input field and type your desired message for the overlay. Adjust the font size by highlighting the current value and changing it to your preferred size. Click the color selection box and choose your preferred text color and select your preferred font style. Click the position drop-down and select where you want the text to appear on screen. Your text overlay is now customized and in place. Adjust and finalize the timeline layers. Click the Save button in the top right corner. Once you see the project created successfully notification, click the Export button to start rendering your video. To use the text-to-speech generator, click on the text-to-speech icon in the left navigation menu. Enter the text you want to convert to speech in the input box. Click the accent drop-down and choose your preferred accent option. Browse through the voice artist list and select the voice that suits your project. Adjust the pitch slider to fine-tune how high or low the voice sounds. Once generation is complete, click the play button to preview your generated speech. Click on the Music Studio icon in the left navigation menu. The Music Studio opens with two main options. Let's create a song with lyrics by clicking the Generate Songs card. Click Choose Music Preset to select a style for your song. Replace the default lyrics with your own by highlighting the existing text and typing your custom lyrics. Hit Create to generate your song. The AI will now process your request, which typically takes a few moments to generate multiple variations. Preview the first generated song by clicking the play button to hear how the AI interpreted your lyrics and style. Listen to the second version as well to compare the different musical arrangements and choose your favorite. Now we'll navigate back to the main dashboard to explore how to access and work with different studios. Thank you for watching this video. Let's see you inside.